Replacing a roof tile. If a roof tile appears to be cracked or broken, it's essential to replace it immediately, as water can penetrate through into the roof. You'll find the tiles are only nailed to the lavs every 4 rows. Therefore, it makes replacing tiles very easy. Lift the tiles above the tile to be replaced. Twist around and remove the broken tile. Replace this and remove the other tiles. Making sure all are secure. Here you can see how the tile hooks over the lath, with these lugs towards the back of the tile.